Hello and welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to understand the difference between standard objects and dynamic objects in our CRM. These are the two fundamental building blocks of the platform. Knowing how they differ and how to use them will help you customize the system better, streamline processes, and get the most out of your CRM. Let's start with standard objects. These are predefined modules that come built into the system. They are designed to capture and manage information that is core to business operations, especially communication and activity management. For example, Office 24 by 7 provides standard objects like cloud telephony, IVR, click-to-call, My Calls, activities, WhatsApp, invoice, meetings, chatbot, etc. Each of these objects comes with standard fields, essential fields that cannot be modified or deleted because they are critical for the system to function. For instance, in the cloud telephony object, fields like call type, caller number, call status, or duration are system-defined when a call happens in the system. You cannot change or remove them, but the system gives you the flexibility to add custom fields for your unique requirements. For example, you can add a field like call disposition to track the outcome of a call or call remarks to note a summary of conversations. Here, you can see that I can change the value of these fields as they are custom-defined by the user. The same applies to the activities object. Standard fields like activity type or activity status are fixed, but you can extend the object with custom fields such as next follow-up date, outcome of the activity, or meeting notes, making it fit your process. You can edit these custom fields without disturbing the system-defined structure. Now, let's talk about dynamic objects. This is where the CRM becomes truly customizable. Unlike standard objects, dynamic objects are user-defined and flexible. You can customize it with various types of custom fields and formula fields available in the system. If you want to know about all the custom fields in detail, click the link above or in the description for the complete playlist. You can create your own objects, add any fields you need, change the structure, and even design workflows around them. Common examples of dynamic objects include leads, deals, opportunities, contacts, accounts, or any other object that matches your industry's processes and workflows. For instance, let's open the deals object. Here I've added fields like close status, approval status, deal value amount, and even a formula field to calculate projected revenue called net price after discount. In another example inside the leads object, I've created fields like territory, lead qualification, assigned user, lead status, all of which are specific to my business requirements. I can also customize or edit these fields based on my requirements. So, what's the key difference? Standard objects are system-defined. They come with essential fields required for the platform to run, called the standard fields. You can't change these, but you can add supporting custom fields. Dynamic objects are user-configurable. You have the freedom to define fields, formulas, relationships, and even create new modules to mirror your exact business workflows. In short, standard objects provide stability and structure, while dynamic objects give you flexibility and customization. Together, they create a balance, giving you a reliable core system while still adapting to the unique processes of your business. With this understanding, you'll know exactly when to rely on standard objects for fixed operations and when to use dynamic objects to design workflows that match your organization's goals. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.